In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link and connect Zoom to Pipedrive CRM. This process is designed to enhance your communications and integrate your workflow smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to Pipedrive's official website. Once there, the next thing you need to do is locate the Login option, which is usually in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on Login will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and fill in your login details, and then you'll be directed to the home page of your Pipedrive account. Once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, look for the three-dot icon, often known as the More Options icon. It is usually found somewhere near the top of the interface, depending on your layout and customizations. Clicking on this will expand a menu of additional features available within Pipedrive. From this expanded menu, select Marketplace. This selection is essential, as this is where you'll be able to find and integrate various apps that work with Pipedrive. Selecting the Marketplace will take you to a new page displaying numerous applications and integrations available to you. Now, in the search bar provided on this Marketplace page, type in Zoom. As you start typing, you should see a drop-down list appear. Select Zoom from this list. Clicking on it will take you to the Zoom integration page within Pipedrive. When you arrive on the Zoom application page, carefully examine the provided information to familiarize yourself with how the integration works. There's usually a button labeled Install or Add. Click on this button to initiate the process of linking Zoom with your Pipedrive account. You may be prompted to authorize the integration. This step typically requires you to log into your Zoom account to grant permissions. Follow the prompts to authenticate and approve the connection between Zoom and Pipedrive. Once everything is correctly set up and authorized, the integration will be complete. You should now see Zoom's functionalities woven into your Pipedrive workflow, allowing you to schedule meetings, record interactions, and much more directly from your CRM platform. This connection facilitates a smoother operation, ensuring you remain organized and efficient, regardless of how hectic your schedule might be. That wraps up the tutorial on linking Zoom with Pipedrive CRM. If you followed along, you should now have Zoom integrated into your Pipedrive system, making remote meetings more accessible while enhancing the overall management of your sales pipeline. If you encounter any issues, refer back to this guide or the help documentation provided by Pipedrive and Zoom for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your productivity.